Hello again, welcome to MasterCAM courses. Remember that we are creating our face toolpath and contour toolpath and also our roughing process. After that, let me turn back to here and to create my finish toolpath. We can use the mill toolpath options and surface finish toolpath. At that point, actually, we can also use the blend toolpath and scallop toolpath as well. Let me turn back to scallop toolpath here, or let me use the blend toolpath. Okay, I'm sorry about that. So, and we can use the escape button. Okay, I'm gonna use the surface toolpath and blend toolpath. Of course, to be able to create blend toolpath, and actually we need two curve. So I can turn to the 2D with the 0 position here, and then let me create some circle here. That circle actually can be and maybe 10 millimeter, or actually it's not need to be like this. We can also start from to origin to here. We can also create face toolpath, as you remember that. Okay, it can be 105 or 110 millimeter diameter. Yeah, that's okay. So let me turn to here, mill toolpath, surface finish toolpath, and the blend toolpath. So this is going to be my drive face, all of them. Oops, sorry. Okay, let me turn to here. And to select my drive face. Anyway, we can delete my toolpath. Let me delete it. Yeah, sorry. And we can use the right mouse button, mill toolpath, and surface finish toolpath, and then blend toolpath. After that, I can select all my face, and then I can hit the end selection button. After that, I can turn to the blend toolpath. Chain here. This is my chain 1, and this is my chain 2. We're gonna create our toolpath between that curve. I can hit the OK button. You can see that all my faces is selected right now, and then you can also see that our blend face is selected. We don't create any check surface. Let me hit OK button, and then we can create our toolpath. So this is my tool. My tool can be 10 millimeter diameter, and my feed rate can be like this, and my cutting speed is also can be like this. And then let me turn to the here. This is the retract position for incremental or absolute. Sorry, my clearance plane can be 5 millimeter with absolute, and my retract position can be actually incremental with 3, and my feed plane can be incremental 1. After that, this is the stock to leave on the drive. It can be 0. This is the finish process actually. And then let me turn to here. At that point, I'm gonna write 2 millimeter to reduce my calculation time. After that, we can turn to the real and number. After that, this is my cutting method. My cutting method can be spiral actually. And then this is the blend parameters. And let me turn to the here. We can hit the optimize cut order. Okay, this is the gap size. It can be and good enough for this part. This is the actually gap size. If you use the tool diameter and the 3% of my tool diameter, it means that actually 30 millimeter for 10 millimeter tool. So we can create some smoothing toolpath for here if we can see some gap. Okay, this is actually follow surface. It's actually motion. So after that we can hit the OK button. This is the along toolpath with 3D. And let me calculate my toolpath. So it is done. We're gonna see that kind of toolpath here. Let me use the simulation. you're gonna see that's kind of toolpath for our process. Okay, everything seems fine. We're gonna start from here to here, and then we can easily see our toolpath. Maybe we should also change our direction. Let me cancel it. So we can start from here to here. Okay, this is the chain 3 and chain 4. And let me recalculate my toolpath. It is calculating right now. You can see that if you give some number, okay, we can start from here, and then we can move like this. Okay, everything seems fine. After that, you can turn to your parameters, you can turn your tolerance, you can organize your tolerance, you can also organize your and other line arc filtering settings or smooth settings, and like that. We can activate this one actually to create our smoothing settings. So after that, we can turn to the real maximum step over. Actually it can be 0.2 millimeter, and then we can recalculate our toolpath. So this is the real one. Actually we can calculate it, and then we just need to send that toolpath to our CNC. Yeah, it is calculated right now. You can easily see the old toolpath here, and everything seems fine. So this is our finishing process. You can also, and we can also create our face toolpath. So that's why we don't need the extra toolpath for this area. Okay. After that, actually, it is quite easy for us to create our finishing toolpath for this area. Okay, let me focus here right now. Let me save my file.